Welcome to TTI. Welcome to a whole new world of science, fun, and machines. Machines are humans' best friend because they always make our work so much easier. In this video, we are listing some of the coolest and most mind-blowing equipments that are on another level. So, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show.
Number 7.
Cushman TD1500. Often during the grass mowing process, small particles of grass remain on the surface, which rot later, and then form a solid layer on the surface of the land, which reduces the quality. Sand is spread on the surface in order to remove these particles and improve the richness of the soil. Cushman TD1500 is a sand distribution machine to be used for large stadiums, lawns, golf courses, to fill all holes in the ground surface and prepare land for the next season. The sand distribution process can also be done manually. However, it would be quite time-consuming and would require a lot of manpower. Whereas using Cushman TD1500, this process can be accelerated. It has a steel frame with a galvanized steel hopper, which has a capacity of around 1,900 pounds and has a hydraulic motor system.
Number 6.
ABI Gravel Grader. People who own dirt and gravel roads understand that leveling the gravel roads can be a tedious task. However, it is important to level the gravel road to protect it from potholes, bumps, and other objects to keep the surface smooth. The ABI Gravel Grader is the first gravel grader with the crown control mechanism, allowing the rider to level the gravel in a perfect and smooth manner. It is developed by the American company called ABI. Unlike other gravel graders, this machine does not require manual load to increase its weight and operates on the basis of the weight of the gravel grader. It has spiral springs, which allows flexibility and movement of the equipment in case of bumps and increased weight. The remote control panel allows to control the position of long nails and grader box, allowing the owner to manage the level of effort to be applied on the road surface.
Number 5.
Ventrac Edger 4500P. The Ventrac Edger 4500P is an ideal equipment that can be used for cutting grass for sidewalks. Usually in parks, grass tends to spread and increase in both area and size. To keep the edges neat and clean, grass levels must be monitored and cut on a regular basis. The grass can be cut using the traditional manual method, which requires a lot of manpower and is also quite time-consuming. With the Ventrac Edger 4500P, the sharp disc and the blower can swiftly cut the grass on edges and clean the area as well at the same time. The blower is an additional option with the Ventrac Edger 4500P, but it can improve the efficiency of the cleaning method. This equipment is most suitable for usage by the government for cleaning of the sidewalks and parks for efficient grass cutting and cleaning.
Number 4.
Ransomes HM600. Ransomes HM600 is an extremely effective lawnmower with great and multiple features. It weighs around 2 tons and has a top speed of 10 miles per hour. This lawnmower provides extra safety with a separate cabin for rider protection, having extendable and adjustable steering and seat. This lawnmower can be used for large surface areas like stadiums, parks, golf courses, and so on. It also offers replaceable nozzles depending on the length and area of the surface to be mown. For larger areas, the nozzle with a length of 3.2 meters can be used, and for smaller areas, the narrower nozzles can be used instead. Another great feature is that the vehicle stays on the road, whereas the lawnmower is on the grass. The equipment can easily be raised and lowered as well to avoid obstacles such as benches, stones, and other debris material. Furthermore, it has a high-quality nozzle which can bear rough conditions and hard surfaces as well.
Number 3.
Ventrac 4500Y with Airvator. Ventrac 4500Y's Airvator is built mainly for the purpose of mowing grass for sport fields. It can be used for schools, colleges, universities, and stadiums, which usually have a lot of sporting events regularly going on. This vehicle allows to air the grass field as well as in order to maintain its color, keep the grass healthy and saturated so that the water and minerals can better ingress into the soil and roots. This process can also be done manually, however it would require a lot of manpower and time, as well as in cases of large fields. The best way to do it is through the Ventrac 4500Y Airvator, which saves time, man-force, and money as well. The pointy needle-designed wheels are full of spikes, which allows deep small holes to be made in the field, which loosens the ground surface and maximizes the air that passes through the ground. It can make up to 86 holes per square meter, depending on the speed of the vehicle. The slower the vehicle is, the greater the number of holes will be created on the ground surface.
Number 2.
Beach-Tech 2800. Beach-Tech 2800 provides the best solution for cleaning sand on beaches and other public places. Cleaning it manually can take ages and still have many chances of errors, and small objects might not be identified every time by a human. With the Beach-Tech 2800, the trailer and tractor combination machine captures the sand, which passes through a strip and cleans all the sand by separating all the objects and other materials in a box. This results in pure and clean sand being returned back to the beach, whereas all the garbage is collected and stored in a special box, and this waste can be disposed of later. This equipment can handle up to 30,000 meters of land area per hour and can reach at a depth of 30 centimeters.
Number 1.
Robod Multinet 2400. Robod Multinet 2400 is a fast and powerful equipment for the purpose of cleaning sidewalks. It weighs around 451 kilograms and has a storage capacity of up to 400 liters, which means that the tank can store up to 400 liters of waste without emptying it for a long time. It has a width of 2.4 meters, has powerful brushes for cleaning sidewalks, stones, oil, stains, and dust. It has 2 different modes for cleaning. The first mode can be used for cleaning dirt and debris, and the second mode can be used to collect liquid and solid waste on the wide road surfaces and store it in a tank of 400 liters storage capacity. Thanks for watching! Which equipment machine did you find the most impressive, and why? Let me know your opinion in the comments section below. Make me your friend just by subscribing to TTI. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace, bye-bye now.